guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 2 of February. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so starting off with electricity is getting as usual $50. You guys, I might have to bump this up to $60 a week. My electricity bill was a lot less. Okay, on to car insurance. Car insurance is getting $45. I just paid my car insurance also. Okay, on to my cash envelopes. So I did put up my ID, so you guys won't be able to say that. Alright, so we do have some money left in groceries. We actually have a lot of money left. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. You guys already know these 5s is going into my $5 saving jar, and these dollars is going into my kids' piggy bank. You guys, I definitely need to do an update on 1s and 5s, but I'm a bit busy right now, so I'm still planning on doing that video, just a little bit behind right now. So groceries is getting 120. Okay, next is gas, and gas is getting $20. Spending, we have some money left. We have 10, 15, 20, 21. So this $10 is going to go to the side, and I'm going to show you guys what I do with this $10 bill. These 2 5s is going into my $5 saving jar, and this dollar is going into my kids' piggy bank. And spending is getting $20. Beauty is getting $10 this week. And last is giving, and giving is getting as usual $5. Okay guys, wait, actually I believe I have some money in my little wallet area too. So I have some money in my receipt, so let me take that out now. Alright, so I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you guys already know these dollars is going into my kids' piggy bank, and this $5 is going to my $5 saving jar. Let's actually see how much we actually got from our leftover money, our 5s and 1s, because this week was a lot, because I did stuff a lot in my cash envelopes last week. So let me get this money together. Okay, so we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4. So we have $34 left, and you guys already know these 5s is going to my $5 saving jar, and those dollars is going into my kids' piggy bank. Okay, on to our sinking funds. I'd like to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Credit Sesame. Sesame Cash offers exclusive cash back, cash for improving your credit score, free ATM withdrawals at 55,000 plus ATMs worldwide, and so much more. But my favorite by far is for its credit building benefits. With Sesame Cash, you can actually get your paycheck or even your tax refund deposited up to 2 days sooner than big banks. Check out the Sesame Cash credit builder now using my link in the description box below. Okay, so starting off with Lanesia. Lanesia is getting $25 this week. Yeah, so I am stuffing a total of $690. So $270 is for cash envelopes, $420 is for my sinking funds. Alright, so Lanisha has 5,000, 6,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 20, 40, 65, 70. So Lanisha has $6,870. Next is Jaden, and Jaden is also getting $25. $5,000, $6,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 40, 65, 75. So Jaden has $6,675. Family Time is getting $10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 10, 20. So $620 in Family Time. Drip is getting $5. I did just purchase the kids some clothes and socks, so I'm gonna be taking some money out of this in my Second Funds update video. We have 1, 2, 3, 400, 510. So 410 in drip. Okay guys, onto my emergency fund binder. Alright, so starting off with our cash emergency, that is getting $10 this week. $1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 950, 60, 75. So we have $19.75 in our cash emergency fund. You guys, I'm not doing no nail cam today. So this is like the first time I did polygel, and I'm not really feeling it. Like, I'm still learning, you know. It did take some time for me, you know, to do these nails, but it was not the way I really like it, so no nail cam. Alright, so home emergency is getting $200. I mean, it's not bad. So we have 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 1, 2, 300, 50, 400, 20, 40, 5, 55, 60. $8,460. Okay, next is my car emergency fund, and that is getting $5. 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 5, 10. So we have $1,710 in our car emergency fund. Next is our health emergency fund, and that is getting $10 this week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 20, 40, 50, 60. So we have $760 in our health emergency fund. Alright, so let's get on to scratching our scratch off challenge. Alright, so we're gonna go right into the gold challenge first. Let me just pull out a quarter from here. Alright, so we got a dime and I want to scratch off this one. So this one is $35. And then for our diamond challenge, we scratching off, let's say this one. So $35 and $170. And that is a total of $205 we're going to be stuffing in our home emergency fund next week. Guys, onto our pink binder. Alright, so Christmas we stuffed in $15 this week. Last week we didn't get to stuff anything in this envelope, so we're gonna put 15. Okay, so we have $50, $70, $90, $105. Okay, next is back to school, and back to school is getting $20. We have 20, 40, 65. So 65 in back to school. Alright, and next is invest. So we stuff in $10 in invest today. And also remember that $10 from our cash envelopes, this is going to go also in this envelope. So we have $30 in invest. Alright, next is gifts, and gifts is getting $5. $150, $70, $90, $210, $215, $220. So we have $220 in gifts. Okay guys, last is my saving challenge, my 52-week saving challenge, and we stuff in $80. So I'm gonna cross out this box right here. $50, $70, $80. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.